I'm going to show you how to redeem a Xbox gift card directly from your Xbox S or X. Okay, there's other ways that you can do it. You can redeem it from going to Microsoft.com using the Xbox app as well, but we're going to do it directly on the Xbox. First thing is to sign into the account that you want to put the gift card on. I'm going to go with this guy right here. I'm going to select that, and I have a pin for me myself. So wait till I'm logged in here. Now we have to go to Microsoft Store. Okay, there's tons of ways you can do that. One way is this. Okay, just go ahead and tap the Xbox button on your controller, and then from here we're going to go down to the store. So we're going to go down, 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 down here, and then move over to the right. Right, it says Store. That's a Microsoft Store. So we're going to go ahead and select that. Now we're going to go to left pane here. So we're going to grab our stick here and move it to the left. Oops, keep moving to the left till all this here pops up, and we're going to go right down to where it says redeem right there. We're going to go ahead and select that. So now we need to enter the code. It's a scratch off on the back of these. Okay, so I got two of these. I got one that's $15, and this one here is $10 or $250. It's probably $10. They didn't mark it on here, but it's probably $10. I'm going to go with this one here. So let's scratch this off. And here's my 25 character code. I'm going to input that in there now. So it's CHC. Okay, I think that's correct. So now I'm going to go down to here to enter. Let's go ahead and select that. Yep, it's right. It is only $10. $10 will be added to your Microsoft balance. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. Oh, got it. Your Microsoft account balance has been updated. So I'm going to go ahead and got it. So now let's confirm that $10 is actually in our wallet. So what you want to do is just go to settings. You can just tap on the Xbox button again, and then we're going to slide all the way over to the avatar using this R1 here. So over, right there. And then we're going to go down to settings right there. Let's select that. We're going to go down one to account, and then we're going to go to payments and billing right there. And I have a pin set up so my son doesn't start buying things. Now, we're going to go to payment options right there. Let's go ahead and select that, and let's see if it's different now. Okay, and there it is, $10. Before it just had add new payment method. Now this one here popped up. So there you go, $10 in. Pretty simple.